Alright, so we haven't been out on a date in a while. And so me and her are going
Look, it's already lifted.
out.
Look, guys. Y'all not gonna make fun of me, right? It's like, yeah, I'm gonna fix it though. Are you like having it the right way? Okay.
Yeah.
Oof, chopped cheese, honey.
She doesn't know where I'm taking her.
It's like I have to brush my hair. Look.
Nappy ass shit.
Yeah, for real. Mess. You're not even gonna talk about it. Mess. But I need to put on my shoes, so yeah. I don't know where we're going, but like you said. See you there?
Nice.
On the way. The snaps. Oh my god, I wonder what movies are out now. But babe, the fucking movies are like a lot of money. Like,
well,
tickets cost hella.
Yeah. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, if we go to the movies, we're gonna get like a small God damn!
Yeah,
they small
have
popcorn because we don't ever fucking finish the large. We don't ever finish the large fucking popcorn.
We don't. Actually, yeah, we don't, but it'd be a big ass bucket. What, here?
Here where?
Here?
Uh-huh.
I've been here before.
Uh-huh.
We're at, I'm gonna show you where we're at.
Brother. You want to watch a movie bloody and violent when a subservient android that's built for human companionship goes haywire?
That sounds
it's a thriller sci-fi.
I love me some sci-fi and thriller. Shut now.
The only time we would be able to is
7:20.
No, 9:40.
Damn.
Because we're about to eat. They close at 8.
Damn. This place? What time is it?
No. Wait, I think they close at 10. Hold on.
If they close at 8, we shouldn't eat here. I feel bad. I mean, it would be an hour, but they be like...
Yeah, they're open until 10.
Okay, never mind. Then.
This is a hour and a half long movie. 7:20, 8:50, 9 o'clock. I guess we could just get some fucking food on the way home after that. Or do you want to go here? And watch the movie later?
We can watch the movie later.
You want to be out that late? I mean, I guess we would...
No, I want to have dinner, though.
I guess we would be able to get another in. Alright, let's go.
Okay, guys, we're here. We're looking at the beers and... Oh, fuck, y'all can't even see. We're looking at the alcohol beverage. It's nice in here. I'm gonna show you guys. Or, hold on. I'm gonna show them. Okay, we just ordered our drinks. He's reading it.
Sauvignon Blanc, Chardonnay. I was having fun talking to that dude.
Yeah, he was chill. I mean, I was talking about like...
He wasn't bugging me or nothing.
Right. So I'm an electrician too. So I ordered he ordered a draft. Angry Orchard.
You can't talk to them.
And I ordered a wine Chardonnay. And We both ordered a little country ball. He has shrimp and clams. I have just shrimp with potato sausages and shit like that. I'm so ready to eat. Oh my god, I haven't ate all day. I just been drinking. Like, I drank a Dr. Pepper today and whatever I was serving today, Wendy's and fucking chili beans today. That's all I did. So mom was very starving. This is Yvonne's jacket. She let me hold it because it was cold outside, but
It's like a month ago.
definitely was not a month ago. Had to be like a couple weeks. Like, I don't think it was that long. I should have given it back to her when we fucking hung out. The fuck? Literally. So how was your day?
It was good. Well, it was a day.
It was a day. My day was good, actually. It was very good. Nobody blew me today. Everybody was happy. Everybody was being respectful.
Did all y'all fucking smoke a blunt together before work?
No. Like, it was just...
Sometimes
show them your outfit.
Sorry about that. So... Got the chain. Got the jeans. I don't know if y'all can see the kicks, but they have a little crease. It's all cool.
Me turn. Yvonne's jacket. A little undershirt or whatever. My pieces for my mom. And from my man. Jeans. And I'm gonna show you my shoes. I'm about to flip the camera. And these are the shoes with like fuzzy socks. Bruh, these fucking socks had me itching all fucking day. Literally. Like, bruh, what? So we got our stuff that we need, like sanitizers, napkins. Then you put it on. Oh, he's gonna. Shouldn't I like take the jacket off or no? I don't want to get it dirty. Oh my god, what the hell? Okay. Yeah, because I don't want to get the jacket. It's not even that cold in here.
I'm only gonna single mount it just in case you gotta get a bathroom.
Okay.
I'm good. I know how to eat like a normal person.
First of all, do not be talking about
In gloves.
and we have gloves and like these. Oh my god, I can't wait to get our mics. So we got our food. They're in the bags. We have to shake them up, or they already probably shaken up, or what? He's shaking his up. This looks so good, guys. Look, guys, I got the shrimp and stuff with some butter. He has with the clams. I'm about to fuck this shit up. Yeah.
Only peel the shrimp, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. God damn, this shit hot.
Okay, so mukbang. While we eat this shit.
I'm going to do a story time on how we met.
Right.
So I was horny. Going through Tinder one day, right?
Bruh.
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
We did meet on Tinder though.
Yeah, we did. Trust me, guys.
Oh shit.
Most people on Tinder are thinking, no, you're fine. Oh, I had the wine. Oh, thank you so much.
I'm fine. Thank you.
I don't know how I thought I was gonna be drinking this and eating this at the same time. It's absolutely ridiculous. This shit tastes so fucking good, I think. Wait. We met on Tinder. Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what I was saying, guys. You can meet someone on Tinder, but be careful. You know what I'm saying? Be careful. You might not find that person, on that app or on any app, to be honest. Well, you might can, but you have to be extra careful on who you're talking to. Because some people are killers. Or sociopaths. So, ladies, men.
Be careful.
But we're good over here. Anyway, we went on Tinder.
We met. It was either that day or the day after. I think it was that day.
That we saw each other? No, we texted each other a couple times before we saw each other.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think
it was the day after.
One of the two. No, because it was a Wednesday. It was a Wednesday when we met. We went on our first date on Friday.
Right. We went to a sushi place. He still keeps the receipt inside of his wallet of our first date. And we're about to hit a year on May 10th. We're about to hit 9 months.
It stays in my wallet.
I'm so sad. I feel like I saved the movie theaters. I mean, the tickets for Wolverine and Deadpool, but I don't know if I. Were we at your job? Your parents' house?
You said what?
Yes, we were.
Yep.
Well, Wolverine and Deadpool came out. I could have sworn I saved those. Anyways,
Yeah. So
we
we both are retarded, so we keep forgetting what we were talking about.
No, we have ADHD really badly.
I have autism.
Explain to them what you have.
No.
Never mind then. But
It don't matter.
It doesn't.
I'm on the autistic spectrum, and I'm cool with it.
It doesn't matter. You're absolutely right.
I'm cool with it.
But I feel like I have ADHD for real. So we went on a date. We went to go get sushi. Then we went downtown. Walked around. Had our first kiss.
And then we went to...
Not our first kiss, but like our kiss together. And then we went to go get ice cream. And then we did the boom boom room on our first date. I'm gonna be honest. And
she was fine. I slept in my car in her driveway because we didn't get back until like 1 a.m.
And literally it was raining. I forgot what was so crazy that happened that night, but we were laying in the grass.
She said she wanted to lay in the grass and stare up at the stars in the rain with someone. And then it started raining.
I was like, I want to kiss someone in the rain or something. And then it started raining. We started like dating in our first month. I went to Puerto Rico. Like I had a trip to go see Bad Bunny, but then I didn't see Bad Bunny because of money. Like,
and I thought she was cheating on me the entire time.
That's fucking crazy. Because you ain't never told me that. That's wild.
Merry Christmas, now you know. Yeah. I was bugging.
He was, and his car was breaking down and shit. I'm just tweaking out.
Yep, shit left me on the side of the highway twice.
Why didn't leave you nowhere? Or your car did?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, I came back. He picked me up from the airport. A couple months later, we've been with each other almost every day. I was going to his
We lived together since we were 2 months in.
I was going to his house over a lot, kind of, yeah, really a lot. And my mom was not fucking with it. Well, you would be like, text her and tell her, and I wouldn't want to tell her. Because, like, I just feel like sometimes it ain't none of our business. But I'm still living in her house. So technically it is. It fucking came off of me.
It came off.
This guy. I didn't even take a sip of my wine yet. Anyways. See, ADHD. No, it's because I'm eating. That's crap, ADHD. Then she wasn't fucking with the he's been living with me and my mom
Since July.
for 6 months, probably.
Yeah, since July last year.
And it's almost been 9 months. So like crazy. We are now on the way home. He's getting gas right now. We're at the gas station, but damn, it feels like I cut my finger, dude. Anyways, it was so good. I was busting it down. I should have showed you guys after. Bro, it was so good. Like, I was busting it down. The girl, she was literally like, oh, I know you bust yours down. I needed seafood like so bad. Like, I just haven't had it so bad. I literally have tears in my eyes because I'm about to start fucking dying laughing at the fact that I really needed. No, I don't want y'all to see how much he's gonna put in the car, because then I'm gonna start laughing, because I feel like he's just gonna put 10 in. But 10 does a lot, you guys. Like, for this car, like, I'd be the main one like driving it for work, and after work like, we'll go somewhere in his car. But like $10, like, it will get us to like 125 miles or something like that. And like, my job is not that far from my house, so it's like a mile, at least a mile and a half, or like a mile to get to my job, or like 5 minutes down to go to the gym, or like anything we need around is there. So bro, he's about to get in the car. I might swerve in that corner.
Yeah, I found.
I might swerve in the corner.
Bend that corner. Look what I found.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I might swerve, bend that corner. Whoa. Look up the lyrics.
That doesn't make no fucking sense.
Bend
bend that corner. Yeah. Anyway, look what I found.
I know.
Remember I told you it broke?
Yeah.
Like a couple weeks ago?
Yeah.
I found it today.
Where?
At work.
How the fuck you find it at work?
It was on the ground.
Oh wow. This is what we had for New Year's. To be honest, I didn't film New Year's, but I'm gonna put some clips in for you guys to see what we did on New Year's. It was me, my mom, and it was my boyfriend. We went downtown and we got some drinks, went to some bars. Bruh, it was so fun. And then we went to the club, bruh. And then, like, I'm gonna just put some clips in right here, so this vlog just won't end as, like, just me being at this fucking gas station. So I'm gonna put in some clips right here for you guys to see. Hey guys, we are downtown right now. Hello. We are downtown right now. I don't know where we're going right now, but we are, the three of us are, it's about to be New Year's. Oh my. I'm ready to cough. We're playing pool right now.
I'm angry at myself. I can't hit nothing.
Yeah, he can't hit nothing. My mom's
Neither
here.
can she.
Yeah, I can't hit nothing right now. We have